So hi, this is Lakshmi Prasad from PySpiders Rajajinagar. So one of our students got placed in a company, so he is going to share his experience.
Myself GIRIDHAR. So I joined PySpiders in the month of March actually. So it's been 5 months joining here. So my Python was taken by Keshav sir. So it has been a very good ride actually. So because he's very funny guy and he has very good humor, and also the knowledge he has transferred me has helped me with my confidence where I can be. So it has been I was very in a dilemma actually before joining here. So after joining here, after these all months, it has been 5 months actually. So it has built me the very much confidence I wanted with the IT thing. So what helped me is obviously few presentation classes, then the mocks they take for me, and everyone has been helpful for me. Then SQL was taken by Chandra sir. He also transferred me a very good knowledge also. Then manual is from Pradeep sir. Then Selenium is by Lakshmi sir. So these people have been very much supportive for me for everything which I have done. So that's all.
Okay. Congratulations. Thank you.